Hello and welcome back. Steel Pinnings here once again. And today I have a very special little lock. This is a little WB lock, a Wislson Bohannon lock. And it's a beautiful little brass Model 57 with Our Lady of Mount Carmel on the back. And I received this lock from Big Willy the locksmith as a gift from him to me as a token of his kind of appreciation for everything we do for lock sport. And I really do appreciate it, Big Willy. Works beautifully. And of course, Wislson Bohannon will open usually both directions. And this one will as so. Anyhow, I was going to put it up in my cabinet, but I have to get it a little pick first and see what I can do with it. So I'm just going to use my gem, and we're going to go in and see how well we can pick it. There's 3, there's 4. Back up to 1. And we're open. There's a neat little pick. There's nothing, you know, high security about it. But it's one that had to go and had to get picked for, you know, to get put away, you know, to keep. And I did it that way already once. Let's see if we can do it the opposite direction, huh? Do it like this, totally upside down. European style, huh? 1 was kind of bound. 2 was a good bound. Go back to 1, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, got a little bind. It keeps slipping off. I did something wrong. I think I overset. It's a good thing I don't live in Europe and have to pick things upside down or right side up. Or however way here. Here, we're going to spin this around this way. Well, I have to find the best way for me here. There we go. Haha. Alright, guys. I thank y'all for putting up with me on that one. That is the Wislson Bohannon, and I believe it's a 30mm beautiful brass padlock with Our Lady of Mount Carmel on the back. Thank you so very, very much, Big Willy the locksmith. Locksport wouldn't be the awesome thing that it is without you doing what you do as well, bud. Y'all please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, until we meet again, peace.